name is Jaden Ivert, and I'm the Marketing and Productivity Manager for a company called WeFresh. Allow me to introduce my partners. On my left is Nick Louie, our Creative Director and Designer, Matt Vague, our Lead Developer, and Erico Nascimento, our User Experience Designer. Together, we design custom mobile applications. Our goal is to increase productivity and make life easier for companies who need to manage their data. Now, let's talk about cell phones. Do you remember your first cell phone? Do you remember holding it in your hand, talking to your friend, walking down the street? It was so cool. I remember watching this guy on TV thinking, wow, that guy's really cool. I've got to get one of those things. And I bet a lot of people bought them because of him. You remember driving with your cell phone? You remember how great it was? You could make plans on the way. It was amazing. What's really great about cell phones is that since day one, they've been increasing our productivity. This year, I took the next step and I bought a smartphone. I can do so many things all on one platform. It's made my life easier and I'm really happy. Today, several companies have adopted mobile devices as their platform of choice for communication. But they're not taking advantage of the full capabilities. What they really need is a radical change to maximize their productivity.
Today, we're going to focus on the iPhone. This device has an amazing touch screen that is like an empty canvas, and you can have pretty much whatever you want in there. Whether that's a keyboard, a slider, a goldfish. As a matter of fact, we'll change the presentation using this device. It has a GPS, so you never get lost again, so you can geotag your images and your data. And it has the accelerometers. So for the first time, we can do this and shuffle your songs, or have this device suggest you a new cool dining place to go with your friends. It sure makes a nice toy, but we believe that the same features that make this product unique are going to change the way companies interact with data. How many times have you seen a company buying some technology that was not suited to fix a problem they're facing? Working around a problem, wasting time, wasting money, and wasting effort. Let me give you an example. There was this educational institution in Vancouver Island. They were using Excel spreadsheets as their database. And it probably worked when they had a handful of students, but as the business grew, things got more complicated. Excel spreadsheets, they don't connect, you have duplicate data, it's not cohesive, consistent. They're wasting time, they're for money, and their competitors are taking over. That company needed a tailor-made solution to their problem. Business are unique and they demand unique solutions, whether that's a unique communication, unique database, or a unique software that's going to take them from point A to point B as quickly and as effectively as possible. So what I'm saying here, that custom is good for your business. What else is good for your business? I'll say mobility is good for your business. That's why we carry laptops, we carry cell phones, we carry PDAs. We all know that back in the day you could work from inside your office from 9 to 5 days a week, and things would be all right. All the communication was internal, or a simple phone call would do it. But things changed a lot, and things are moving a lot quicker now. Now business happens 24/7, everywhere, inside and outside the office. On a train, on a bus, on a coffee shop. We all feel the need to be more productive on the go. The more time you spend for customers and clients, the better. So what did we do? We have, as I told, we have like the cell phones, we have the laptops. We're starting to change from that. We're evolving. And we're reaching a critical point between software and mobility, and it's time for a big change. This is going to be a big change. This is better than working away from the office. This is being productive away from the computer. So that's why we believe that the iPhone plus custom software development is going to be a huge breakthrough on how successful companies interact with data. Matt?
Well, so far today, we've talked about and thought about the concept of custom mobile software helping business. But let's take a look at a closer example of exactly what that might look like, these same features helping a business. Let's meet Mike, one of our current customers. Mike owns a custom guitar shop where he makes guitars and sells them to customers. They're custom. The person puts together whatever parts they want. His whole business is sitting down with a customer or a musician, dreaming, designing, and ultimately making them the perfect guitar for that unique individual. Well, his business has been doing pretty good recently, the last couple of years. But just very recently, he's taken his company on a giant leap in customer satisfaction. How did he do this? He used the iPhone, gave the customer a way to make their own guitar while he's talking to them on the iPhone. So instead of the customer sitting there and thinking what their guitar might look like, putting together images and stuff like magazines, they can actually drag and drop components, whatever they want, a Strat pickup, a wide body, whatever they want. They can make their dream guitar. It's all possible because of iPhone's unique multi-touch interface and its large blank canvas or a screen. Now, he's given the customer a unique, compelling experience in dealing, in making their purchase. And that makes one happy customer. So that increases his business. Now, he has the reputation of giving people exactly what they want, but in a fun, cool way. What other guitar company does this? None. It's unique. What I'm saying is, this is just one unique solution we've come up with so far. And what we're here today is to ask you to invest in us so that together we can reap the rewards of custom mobile software helping business. Because after all, that's why we're here. That's what our company does.
Now, did you miss out on the opportunity when Palm first came out? How about the BlackBerry? How about Google? You could have imagined how much money you'd be making right now. People who invest in emerging technologies, whether it be cell phones, communications, the internet, have received a great return of investment. That these were all first opportunities. Now today, I would like to give you the opportunity to invest in custom mobile applications. Custom mobile applications. And that we are one of the first companies to tailor to this niche. Now, as you remember, customization plus mobility plus software development equals success. Now, we're actively seeking $500,000.
Oh, I got the other one for you.
We are actually seeking $500,000 in initial funding to drive our business to the next level, and we can do it. And that we have also put together a detailed business plan, which outlines a 30% return on investment on your end. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for listening to our presentation. Do you have any questions?
Yeah.
All right, so